Top 15 foods for people with kidney problems. The kidneys are small but powerful bean-shaped organs that perform many important functions. They are responsible for filtering waste products, releasing hormones that regulate blood pressure, balancing fluids in the body, producing urine, and many other essential tasks. There are various ways in which these vital organs can become damaged. Diabetes and high blood pressure are the most common risk factors for kidney disease. However, obesity, smoking, genetics, gender, and age can also increase the risk. When the kidneys aren't working properly, waste builds up in the blood, including waste products from food which can damage your kidneys. Therefore, it's necessary to follow a special diet of fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins to ensure the well-being of your kidneys. So in today's video, we will talk about the top 15 foods for people with kidney problems. Number 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in flavor, but that's not the only reason they're perfect for the kidney diet. These tasty vegetables are also an excellent source of vitamins C and A, as well as vitamin B6, folic acid, and fiber. Red bell peppers are good for you because they contain lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect against certain cancers. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that is packed full of phytochemicals that break up free radicals before they can do damage. Many phytochemicals are also known to help protect cells from damage that could lead to cancer, as well as foster cardiovascular health. Cabbage is high in vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, and they are also a good source of vitamin B6 and folic acid. Low in potassium and low in cost, it's an affordable addition to your kidney diet. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is another cruciferous vegetable that is high in vitamin C and a good source of folate and fiber. It's also packed full of indoles and glucosinolates, which are the compounds that help the liver neutralize toxic substances that could damage cell membranes and DNA. Number 4. Garlic. People with kidney problems are advised to limit the amount of sodium in their diet, including added salt. Garlic provides a delicious alternative to salt, adding flavor to dishes while providing nutritional benefits. It's a good source of manganese, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, and contains sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Number 5. Apples. Apples may help reduce cholesterol, prevent constipation, protect against heart disease, and reduce the risk of cancer. High in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds, an apple a day may really help keep the doctor away, which is good news for people with kidney disease who already have their share of doctor visits. Number 6. Onions. Onions are excellent for providing sodium-free flavor to kidney-friendly dishes. Reducing salt intake can be challenging, making finding flavorful salt alternatives a must. Sautéing onions with garlic and olive oil adds flavor to dishes without compromising your kidney health. What's more, onions are high in vitamin C, manganese, and B vitamins, and contain prebiotic fibers that help keep your digestive system healthy by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Number 7. Cranberries. These delicious berries may protect against bladder infections by preventing bacteria from sticking to the bladder wall. In a similar way, cranberries may also protect the stomach from ulcer-causing bacteria and improve overall healthy gut bacteria, promoting GI health. Cranberries have also been shown to help protect against cancer and heart disease. If you're liking this video so far, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our 2 new videos every week. So thank you for that, and now let's get back to the video. Number 8. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with nutrients and are one of the best sources of antioxidants you can eat. In particular, these sweet berries contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which may protect against heart disease, certain cancers, cognitive decline, and diabetes. They also make a fantastic addition to a kidney-friendly diet as they are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. They may also help protect the brain from some of the effects of aging. Antioxidants in blueberries and other berries may help slow down bone loss. Number 9. Raspberries. Raspberries contain phytonutrients that help neutralize free radicals in the body to prevent cell damage. Just like blueberries, raspberries also contain anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that give them their red color. Raspberries are an excellent source of manganese, vitamin C, fiber, and folate. Moreover, raspberries also have properties that inhibit cancer cell growth and tumor formation. Number 10. Red grapes. Red grapes contain several flavonoids that give them their reddish color. Flavonoids help protect against heart disease by preventing oxidation and reducing the formation of blood clots. Resveratrol is a flavonoid found in grapes that may also stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax muscle cells in the blood vessels to increase blood flow. These flavonoids also provide protection against cancer and help prevent inflammation. Number 11. Egg whites. Although egg yolks are very nutritious, they contain high amounts of phosphorus, making egg whites a better choice for people following a kidney-friendly diet. Egg whites provide a high-quality, kidney-friendly source of protein. Plus, they're an excellent choice for people undergoing dialysis treatment who have higher protein needs but need to limit phosphorus. Number 12. Sea bass. Sea bass is a high-quality protein that contains incredibly healthy fats called omega-3s. Omega-3 helps reduce inflammation and may help decrease the risk of cognitive decline, depression, and anxiety. Omega-3 also helps lower LDL cholesterol, which is bad cholesterol, and raise HDL cholesterol, which is good cholesterol. While all fish are high in phosphorus, sea bass contains lower amounts than other seafood. However, it's important to consume small portions to keep your phosphorus levels in check. Number 13. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy source of fat, and it is phosphorus-free, making it a great option for people with kidney disease. Frequently, people with advanced kidney disease have trouble keeping weight on, making healthy, high-calorie foods like olive oil important. The majority of fat in olive oil is a monounsaturated fat called oleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show that populations that use large amounts of olive oil instead of other oils have lower rates of heart disease and cancer. Number 14. Bulgur. Bulgur is a whole grain wheat product that makes a terrific, kidney-friendly alternative to other whole grains that are high in phosphorus and potassium. This nutritious grain is a good source of B vitamins, magnesium, iron, and manganese. It's also an excellent source of plant-based protein and is full of dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Number 15. Skinless chicken. Although a limited protein intake is necessary for some people with kidney issues, providing the body with an adequate amount of high-quality protein is vital for health. Skinless chicken breast contains less phosphorus, potassium, and sodium than skin-on chicken. When shopping for chicken, choose fresh chicken and avoid pre-made roasted chicken, as it contains large amounts of sodium and phosphorus. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. And now go ahead and watch any of the 2 videos on your screen to learn more about your health and wellness.